In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grok AI app not working. 2026, step by step. If Grok isn't loading, showing an error, or feels stuck, don't worry. This is usually quick to sort out. Start by going to Grok. Open the Grok app on your device or visit the website in your browser. Give it a moment to load. If the page doesn't render correctly or an error appears, the most common cause is a shaky internet connection. Let's check that first. Make sure you're actually online. If you're on Wi-Fi, look for the Wi-Fi indicator and confirm you're connected to the right network. If you're on mobile data, ensure data is enabled and you have signal. A simple way to verify is to open another trusted site or app to see if it loads quickly. If that other site is slow or fails, your connection is the issue. Try a quick reset of your connection. Toggle Wi-Fi off and back on, or briefly switch airplane mode on, then off. If you're using a VPN, consider pausing it, as some VPNs can block or slow certain services. If you're far from your router, move closer or reduce interference by stepping away from thick walls or crowded networks. Once your internet looks stable, return to Grok. Now refresh and try again. In a browser, click the reload button or press refresh. If you're on the app, pull down to refresh if that gesture is supported. If it still looks frozen, close the tab or app completely and reopen it, then go back to Grok. Give it a few seconds. Sometimes services need a brief moment to reconnect. If the problem persists after a good connection and a fresh reload, it's time to contact their help support. Look for a help support or contact link in the app menu or in the website footer. When you reach out, include helpful details so they can resolve it faster. What you were trying to do, the exact error message you saw, the approximate time it happened, your device and operating system, and whether you were on the app or a specific browser. A screenshot can help, but remember to avoid sharing any sensitive information like passwords or private keys. If you recently changed networks, updated your device, or saw intermittent outages, mention that too. It provides useful context. To recap, head to Grok, make sure your internet connection is solid, refresh the page, and try again, and if it still doesn't work, contact their support with clear details. That's it. With these checks, most access issues clear up quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back